Turning your engine 1A848 engine turn. Engine is turning good. Compressor here is good, no damage, no broken. Same as well the power steering pump here. Alternator, all socket good conditions, no damage. Same as well the starter here. And everything on top here, all the socket very nice, very good, no problem. Diesel pump, no damage, no broken. All sockets in good conditions. And the turbo didn't see any damages from outside, no problem. EGR pipe, no problem. And down here the oil sump, the gearbox also good, and the engine is turning good.